fragile. Oh my god! It's coming out in the box! Hi guys! Welcome again to my channel, and for today's video, we are going to unbox one of my favorite Pokemon. Finally, the long wait is over and I'm so excited to open it. So, let's go! Look at this, guys. It's too big and not too heavy, but it's fine. But I'm so excited to open it. And fragile. Ooh, I see the yellow! I see the yellow! Oh my god! Ah, look at this! It's so cute! Look, 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 look! Isn't it bagay to me? Char! Hindi kinaya yung English. Isn't it bagay? Guys! What are you thinking? Who is this? Oh shit! Okay. By the way, guys, the smell is so good. Like, you know the smell of, fresh, newly opened box. I'm so excited. Okay, the first one is the hat. No, it's a cup. Sorry, it's a cup. It's a cup. Okay, not cut. Sorry, my bad. The next one is shit, Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt? Am I right? Yeah, Thunder. Yeah, the Thunder. So, do you have a clue, guys? Who is this Pokemon? Oh my god. I like the smell. Look, look, look. And I got another Pokeball. Actually, guys, I have this one already, but I got another one, so I have two now. Yeah. I'm so excited. Wait. Look what I got. Look. Wait, is this a tail or what? Tail, or isn't it the devil? Shit, look. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's put it here. And let's remove the yellow cartoon. Okay, let's put it here. Shit. Oh my god. I like the smell of shit. Look at this! Oh my god! It's so cute! Oh my god. Careful, Candy. Careful, Candy. Your favorite Pokemon is coming out in the box. Oh my god! It's so cute naman! Wait. Let me remove this. And also, guys, they have the glue. I don't think it's for the. I need to connect the, the ear. Oh my god! I need to put it down the box. Wait. Do you see this, guys? Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh my god! I'm so excited. Newly open smell. Wait. OMG! Pikachu is in the house! Wait. I'm so excited, sorry. Oh my god! Pikachu, where are you, Kalbo? Oh my god! I'm gonna copy Pikachu. It's so cute! Look at that, guys. Okay, guys, let me assemble Pikachu. I'm gonna show you the whole, and everything. Look at with the cap. Okay, let me assemble this, okay? Be right back. Wait.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
Finally, I got you. You're so cute, and I'm so in love with Pikachu. So guys, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you again on my next unboxing video. There's another one coming. See ya! Pika Pika! See ya!